I'm Abel Casanga. I was born in Guatemala in 1979 and immigrated to the US 2003 to pursue the American dream. After graduating from college, I was doing computer work for a company, but I wanted to do something for myself. After posting some online ads, I got my first job doing window cleaning, and that's how I started Extreme Janitorial.
So we are a full-service janitorial company based in the San Francisco Bay Area in California. Over the years, Extreme Janitorial has grown tremendously. To accommodate our growing clients, we have hired excellent help. One of the biggest challenges we had as a company was employee accountability. We never knew where employees were, or if they were at a site on time, or if they stayed at a site for the amount of time they were supposed to stay. This just didn't work. It caused a lot of problems and frustration. We needed to find a solution.
I did some online research and we found ClockShark. They had great price, very easy to use, and great reviews. So we signed up.
ClockShark support was great. They helped us get started and the process went very smooth. We got our employees set up very quickly, installed the app on their phones, and now everything changed. Now we were able to see where they were at any given time and see when they clocked in and they clocked out. ClockShark was very simple to use and very reliable. The crew loves that they can take pictures, insert it into the system, and show us that their work has been completed. I love that now I don't have to worry where my employees are. Who's Working is a feature we use every day. We love it because at any given time we can go into our computers and see our workers' location and see at what time they clocked in and clocked out. Being able to check it from our cell phone or our computer makes it very convenient. The integrations feature is another great part of ClockShark. It allows us to save time on payroll. ClockShark allows us to hit one button and import our information from ClockShark to QuickBooks, and now we have payroll taken care of in just minutes. Our crew receives their paychecks on time and accurately.
Yeah, our business since using ClockShark has been great. I would definitely recommend ClockShark to anyone with a business in the service industry with a lot of employees in the field. ClockShark has given me the peace of mind I needed to now take Extreme Janitorial to the next level.